Lennox and welcome to Cooking with Confidence. Today I'm going to make a Greek layer dip with yogurt, hummus, and feta. And it's going to be delicious and easy to do, I promise you. I've got romaine lettuce that I've washed and cleaned, and I put it in my salad spinner to get all the water off of it. So that's nice and ready to go for us. Then I've got ground lamb that I just sauteed with, well, I cooked it with some of my Mediterranean spice. If you haven't gotten that recipe, check out that recipe. I make a really delicious couple of different spice blends you can find out about. I use one of those here. This is a Greek yogurt that I doctored up, so it's got all kinds of flavors going on. This is a roasted red pepper hummus. That's really delicious. Feta cheese, and of course tomatoes. So really easy, and what I'm going to do is put it together for you right now, and you can see how to do a really nice dip. This is a dip, but I call it it's like a trifle dip because it's got layers, and it's great for a party, you know, for entertaining. So the first thing I'm going to start out with is my romaine lettuce. Then I'm going to go with some of my Greek yogurt. Just like that. Okay, and spread it out. Okay. So far not too bad, right? Okay. Some of the lamb, the ground lamb. Nice. Okay. Okay, spread that around, just like that, all around. Nice. On top. I'm going to go ahead and use the rest of it. Why not? I love lettuce. Plus it gives a nice crunch, you know. Some more of the Greek yogurt. Spread it around. It's okay that my spoon is dirty. That's no big deal. It's all going to meld to the flavor and really bring some nice flavors to the party. Okay, then I'm going to put my feta cheese, just like that, on top, as much as you want. Okay, then I'm going to use a little bit of, these are plum tomatoes, and that is it. So that's a delicious dip that I like to have for parties. And what I did was I made a couple of these little garnishes here. Put that right on top. I'm going to put it right in here like that. A couple of these. And then what I've got is some pita on the side that you can serve with your friends too. So that's it. So that is a delicious dish. Oh, here, one last thing I want to do is put a couple of green onions on top. And there's your final color. So this is my quick and easy Greek layer dip with yogurt, feta, and hummus. It was so, how easy was that? Try this recipe. I'm Dee Lennox. Thanks for watching me. This is Cooking with Confidence. See you next time.